In this video I will show you what are role and responsibilities of the safety expert or safety officer. This question is most frequently asked question in the interview, that what is the role of safety expert? You should know the answer of this question before going to the interview. Otherwise, you may lost your job interview. Or the question might ask like this: what role you would have after getting this job? So you must know what responsibilities or role you would have after getting job. In this video I show you the more than 20 role and duties of the safety officer, so you must watch it completely. So let's start. What are the role of safety officer of role of safety expert? The first role of safety officer is to develop, implement and monitor board occupational health and safety policy, programs and procedures. So to this definitely, safety officer must be aware of occupational health and safety policy, programs and procedure. Also, the second duty of safety officer is to assist the board in complying with current health and safety legislation and/or regulations, with the objective of ensuring that all reasonable and proper measures are taken to protect the safety and health of learners, staff and visitors. So it means that safety officer must have knowledge of the safety legislation, and he must assure that all rule and regulation comply with current health and safety legislation. The safety officer have also the responsibility to establish budget proposals for the operation of the occupational health and safety office and specific training programs. Because safety officer would train the employee working in hazardous operation about the safety related issues. The new duty of the safety expert is to increase health and safety awareness at all levels within the organization. The next important duty of the safety officer is to investigate and report on all serious, critical personal injury accidents occurring to students, staff and/or visitors to the appropriate senior official, and also to assist in the investigation of all incidents that result in substantial damage to board vehicles and property. So the safety expert must investigate, and then to find the root cause of that accidents that happened. Safety officer also must have to investigate and report on complaints of hazardous working conditions to the associate director and/or other appropriate senior staff. So it not necessary to investigate after the accidents. Safety officer is also responsible to investigate the working area and find the hazard that may cause major or minor accidents, and then provide a best solution to it. Similarly, the next responsibility is to respond to employees' safety concerns. They must answer to the employee safety related concerns, even to train them any time when they have issue. The next most important duty of the safety expert is to inspect, to conduct, as necessary, the safety inspection of any board facility. The next responsibility of the safety expert is to respond to fires and other emergencies on or about the board property. The next responsibility is to coordinate registration and removal of hazardous waste. The following are more role and responsibilities of the safety expert. To arrange for occupational health and safety testing and/or evaluations of the workplace by external agencies, consultants as may be necessary. To assist executive staff, senior administrators, principals and supervisors in emergency preparedness. To develop, review and update appropriate sections of the board's emergency procedures manual. To liaise with municipal and state emergency planners, update plans, organize exercises and evaluate procedures. Also, to coordinate the selection and distribution of emergency communications equipment to schools and administrative support departments. The last is to assume other duties as may be assigned. So these all are the duties and role of the safety expert or safety officer. This question is most important for the interview, so you must know the answer before going for the safety related job interview. So, I hope you learned something from my videos, and if you make sure to subscribe to my channel for more industrial related video, and like this video. It motivate me to make more such videos.